Hi, my name is Juan. I'm the head of sales for LeMix. LeMix is a wholesaler of different automotive products. And here at the Melbourne Collision Repair, we are showcasing a few of our products. So as you can see on my back, we have Cartec, which is a Dutch company. They focus on polished compounds and detailing. We also have some of our LeMix own brand products, aerosols, body filler, primers, clears, and the main product that we are showcasing in this trade show is Lecla. Lecla is an Italian paint manufacturer that they started in 1858, and this is the first time that they are in Australia with us. Basically, what we want to do is the launching of Lecla in this trade show. We have a few demos as well, so everybody's welcome to come join us here in the stand AD38 or in the demos that we are going to be doing tomorrow and Saturday morning. And we are showcasing both our Lecla base coat and top coat, as well as our water-based paint systems. So all of that is European products. So yeah, as I said, more than welcome to talk to you and chat with anyone interested in our stand AD38. Thank you so much.